How to enable Gemini Workspace integration. This tutorial shows you how to connect Google Workspace to Gemini and what you can do with it on your Android device. First, open the Gemini app on your Android device and tap the three lines at the top left to open the side menu. From there, tap the gear icon at the bottom right of the panel and tap Settings. After that, tap Personal Intelligence, then tap Connected Apps. From the list, find Google Workspace and toggle it on. This connects Gemini to your core Google apps, including Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Drive, Keep, and Tasks, all in one go. If a permissions window appears, read through it and tap Allow to grant Gemini access. Once connected, Gemini becomes significantly more powerful in terms of what it can do for you. You can ask it to summarize unread emails in Gmail, check what's on your calendar for the day, find specific files or documents in your Drive, pull up notes from Keep, or remind you of pending tasks, all without having to open each app individually. From here, start a new chat and try it out. The more specific your prompt, the better Gemini performs, so mention the app or context you're referring to for the most accurate results. Keep in mind, Google Workspace integration works best when you're signed into the same Google account across all your apps. If anything isn't pulling through correctly, make sure all your Workspace apps are signed in and up to date. And that's it. If this guide helped you set up Gemini Workspace integration, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.